Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to find the QR code in Revolut. This video is going to be simple. We're going to open our Revolut app, and here in the Revolut app, what we're going to do is tap this button that says transfer. We tap there, and when we do, this will open up. What we're going to do is focus on this icon right here. This icon will let us scan or share our QR code, so we tap there, and here we'll have what would be the camera. It will automatically open the camera application for us to effortlessly scan the QR code. What we're going to do next is incredibly simple and straightforward. We're going to carefully click right here, precisely where it clearly indicates my code. We will gently tap there, and when we successfully do that, this particular screen will promptly open up, revealing a prominently displayed QR code that we can conveniently scan without encountering any problem whatsoever, or easily share with others without any problem at all. And that's absolutely everything. If this detailed video tutorial has genuinely helped you in any way, please take a moment to leave a thoughtful comment below and kindly subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.